Hello children, welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj Wadwala Borsal. How are you all? Today I am giving you session of English Standard 3rd. Children, you will see this and you will think that a little fish story. So it's already finished, right? But I started again because I want to explain you again with the details and colorful video. Okay? So in this story what you will learn? Yes, you will learn about a small fish. Okay? So what happened with the small fish? The small fish is thinking. Okay? And at the end of the story what happened with her? Okay? And when he escaped in the net and then after he removed himself, okay, from the net, so what happened with him? And at last what he is thinking, so that all we will learn in this chapter. Okay, and you can see this small fish, right? And this small fish is imagining so many things in his mind. Okay, and sometimes we are thinking that why God made me small, big, fat, thin, but don't think so, because God have planned everything very nicely. Okay, so why God made us like this? So there is some reason behind it. Okay, so you will learn in this story what happened with this little story. So get ready for the wonderful, colorful video. Okay, children. So let's get started.
Children, are you ready to learn this story? You can see the picture of little fish here. Yes, it is looking so beautiful, right? So small and very cute, right? So this is the story of little fish. So let's get started. See, in this picture, what you can see? Yes, there are so many fish in the seas, right? There are a great many million fish in the seas. You can see only one, two, or five fish. No, there are so many fish, right? So, whenever you are making the plural form of fish, it will be only same fish. Okay? You will not write fishes. If there are many fish, so you can't write fishes because the plural form of fish is only fish. So here in this picture, in the very big sea, okay, there is lots of water in the sea. So in that sea, great many million fish are here. You can see in the picture, sea, right? Now what happened? But this story is about just one of them. Here in this story, we will not talk about all the fish. But in this story, we will talk about only this little fish. And remember children, this little fish is a boy. Okay. So whenever I will speak about this fish, I will speak he. Okay. So he means a little fish because this little fish is a boy. Okay. So in this story, what we will learn? We will learn about only and only this little fish. You can see the face of this fish. Is he happy? No, he is sad. You can see? Right. See his lips looking like sad? Yes. So why he is sad? Let's learn this. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. So see this very beautiful picture. You can see inside of the sea which kind of area, right? See plants of the sea and inside small rocks and all, and little fish is swimming here and there, right? He has everything in the sea. Whatever fish require to live, he has everything in the seas. But he is unhappy, right? Whatever the little fish required to make him contented. What is the meaning of contented? You know that? Means whatever he needs to live, whatever he requires to live, that all things are available in the sea. So, but he is unhappy. But he was not happy. Means he was unhappy. You can see his face. See his eyes, his mouth, right? He is looking unhappy, right? He is not happy. You will laugh when I will tell you why he was not. Now, whenever I will tell you, no, that why this little fish is unhappy, so you will definitely laugh, children, whenever I will speak. So you can see the downside, the laughing pictures of small smileys, right? Why they all are laughing? Because now you will also listen that what happened with the small fish, why he was unhappy, that you will learn. He was unhappy because he was so very small. Is it very interesting that little fish is unhappy because his size is very small. Okay, among the all the fish, he is feeling that my size is very small. You can see the one fish is very big, see in front of that fish, and he is feeling that I am very small, I don't like to become small fish. Everyone like to become big, right? So this fish is unhappy because his size is very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. Now this fish is always thinking that see all the fish are so big, right? You can see in this picture, children, all the fish are big, but these our little fish is very small. So that is why he is thinking that I don't want to become like small fish. He would say over and over again. Now what happened? Whenever he is swimming in the sea, so he is meeting every fish right inside it. So what happened? Whenever he meets to any other fish, he is talking the same way that I am very small. I don't like to become small, right? So he is always blaming to God that why God made me small size of fish. I don't want to become small size fish. I want to become big size fish, right? So whenever he is meeting to any fish, he is always complaining the same way again and again, over and over, right? So whenever he is meeting to other fish, see right now also he is complaining to other fish, and see his face, right? He is not happy, so he is complaining that I am very small. Now whenever he feels alone, what he is thinking, listen, if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. Now again he is thinking, see in the circle, whatever this small fish is thinking, you can see in the circle that now in thinking, right, in thinking the small fish become big, you can see, and now he is happy in his thinking, and remain all the fish are small, you can see in the picture, right? Now in his thinking, he is thinking that I were only larger, only I should be larger, remain all should be small, and then I can be very much happier. See, when in thinking, whenever he was larger, so he was thinking that now I am happier. If I could be bigger, then and then I can be happier. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. Every time he is repeating the same thing. I am very small, I am very small, I have very small size, I don't like, God made very unfair with me. Like that way he is complaining to each and every fish in the sea. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking. Now what happened one day? He is swimming along with the rest of his school means so many fish together. Okay, collective noun. School of fish means so many fish together. So whenever he is swimming with another fish, so what happened? He is again thinking. See in the picture, no doubt how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. Now he is thinking, who are larger fish? They were always be thankful to the God, right? Why should I thankful to God? No need, because I am very small in size. And who are big fish, who are larger fish, they should be thankful to God. Whenever he is thinking, when suddenly with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Children, you can see in the picture, the small fish was thinking along with his school of fish. He was swimming in the sea. But suddenly what happened? They were in the meshes of a great net. Meshes means wires, plastic wires, right? Of net. Net becomes net made by plastic wires. So they all are in the meshes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing. You can see the waves of the sea water, right? That is called floundering, means very speedy, right? Very speedy. Splashing water means it's become very huge and large waves. As the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, then what happened suddenly? From the large water of splashing and floundering water, they are coming up in sunlight, but they are in the net only. You can see right now also they all are in the net, right? So but right now they are coming out from the sea water and now they are in net, right? Now let's see what happened next. And just as its howl was being emptied into the boat, now they all shouting because they are not happy, they are in the net, so they are making sound. And then after what happened, the net is opening and they all come out from in the boat. But what happened when they all are coming out from the net? The smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. Now you can see in this picture is very important of this story. Continuously you see this picture because all the big fish, all the larger fish are in the net. And who came out, who slipped back into the clear water? Yes, you can see the small size, our little fish, right? See, the little fish is coming out from the net and all the larger fish are in the net. He swam here and there and everywhere. Now what happened? He was very frightened because he was in the net. Now suddenly he came out from the net and then he was moving here and there in the sea water. You can see he swam here and there because now he is happy because he escaped, right? He removed from himself from the net. That is why he is happy. And all the larger fish were there in the net. Now what happened? Now what he is thinking? See in the circle. Now his thinking become totally changed. Why? Said that they never again heard him say. Now never he will say that he is very unhappy because he has small size. Now he will not complain. No one heard it because now you can see the picture. In the thinking also he is happy. In the reality also he is happy. Because if he was larger, so what happened? He can't escape himself from the net. But because of his small size, he can escape, he can remove himself from the net meshes. Right? He was small, so he can definitely come out from the net, right? But who are larger, they, because of their large size, they cannot come out from the net. So now he's thinking totally changed. You can see the very big cross on the circle, right? So now he's further, means before whenever he was thinking that I should be larger, all should be small. So now his thinking become totally changed. That he wished to be anything but a little fish. Now he is thinking, I don't want to become a larger fish. I am very happy to become a small fish. God made me small fish, so I am very happy for God. He didn't make unfair with me. I am very happy to become a small fish.
Children, have you enjoyed the poem? I am sure that you love it because you love colorful pictures, right? And now you understood this chapter very nicely, that I know. Now let's learn some spellings. So these spellings you will write in your notebook. Okay children? But you have to remember that you have to write very carefully all the spellings and draw the line with the scale only. Start writing work from very first 4 lines. Never use upper margin. Okay children? Now let's get started. Spellings. First million. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Million. Contented. C-O-N-T-E-N-T-E-D. Contented. Unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. Unhappy. Larger. L-A-R-G-E-R. Larger. Happier. H-A-P-P-I-E-R. Happier. Believe. B-E-L-I-E. B-E-D. Believed. Swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming. Thankful. T-H-A-N-K-F-U-L. Thankful. Suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly. Warning. W-A-R-N-I-N-G. Warning. Meshes. M-E-S-H-E-S. Meshes. Flundering. F-L-O-U-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Flundering. Splashing. S-P-L-A-S-H-I-N-G. Splashing. Regal. You have to sound regal. W. W will be silent. Okay? No need to speak regal. It is not regal. It is regal. W will be silent. Regal. W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D. Regal. Then after slip. S-L-I-P-P-E-D. Slip. Then after swam. S-W-A-M. Swam. Wished. W-I-S-H-E-D. Wished. Drawn. D-R-A-W-N. Drawn. Howl. H-A-U-L. Howl. Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Now you understood these all spellings. You have to repeat all the also. Okay, in front of your parents, and then you can speak the spelling. And whenever you want to learn the spelling which are very big, what you have to do? You have to break it. For example, thankful. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to learn thank. 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 Then you have to break. And then FUL, full. Thankful. Like this way you can twice or thrice you can break the spelling, and then you can learn all the spellings very easily. Now we will meet in our next video. In our next video we will learn more exercises, question answers, word meanings. Okay children, so see this video again if you can't understand. Till then, stay safe. Jai Hind.